Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Lisette. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to share with you my swap. I just received this in the mail. I am part of a Facebook group, and I was paired up with Christy from the channel Anchor Live 5. She does have a YouTube channel. I will leave her information below, and I'm going to share with you what I received. Now, this is my first swap ever. I've never done this before. I'm still finishing my package, but I'm super excited because she sent me this, and let's check it out. All right, I already opened it, and I had already peeked on this one. Then I stopped peeking because I was like, let me start filming. This is so cute. This is a pencil pen case, and it's full of pretty pens. Look at this. I love this. And pencils. This is adorable. Look at all these colors. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, look at this one, Mermaid at Heart. Yes, this is so pretty. Oh, look at this one. Oh, these are like jelly beans. This is adorable. Oh, this is so cute. I absolutely love this, and I love this Be Happy. This actually is gonna match my Faith TN that I'm making, which I'm still working on it, but I will have a flip through on that one because I'm putting so many extra details on mine since it's going to be my personal TN. Okay, so let's take this out. Wow. Here we got how cute. Work hard, stay humble. This is adorable. I love these list pads because I actually write down my chores for the day. So this is perfect. Thank you so much, Christy. Oh, this is illustrated Faith. I guess she definitely knew. Oh yeah, we did. The funny part is that we asked questions so we get to know each other better. And it wasn't just more like a crap swap. It was more like get to know you better type of swap. And I did tell her a few things about me. So she definitely was pretty perceptive, and that's awesome. Thank you so much. This is beautiful. This is the Bright and Be Brave collection. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. This is so pretty. I love these colors. I love this flower. This is gorgeous. Thank you so much. Oh, Bible journaling stickers. Thank you again. Definitely, this is going to be a great compliment from my Faith TN that I'm working on. Here we have, ooh, spellbinders. Oh, this is awesome. I don't have this die at all. I've been collecting dies lately, and I have a very small library, so this is perfect. I actually didn't really do much die cuts until a friend gave me a Sizzix die cutting machine, and I've been using it like crazy now. Oh, this is beautiful. Thank you so much. You know, it's funny because when I wanted to get these on those hauls that people were showing, they ran out. So I could never grab one of these. Thank you, Christy. This is awesome. Let's see what's in here. Some more illustrated Faith. Absolutely, this is great. Oh yes, I'm super excited. This is the You Are Love collection. Excellent. Oh yes. And this one is Tabbies. Oh, this is so pretty. Give it to God. Oh, this is so cool. In the back it tells you everything that's on there. I am loved. Amen to that. Oh, this is so neat. Thank you so much. I'm so excited about this because this is, like I said, I was trying to grab one of these, but every time I went, they were all the shelves were empty. So I was like, oh, well, I didn't get to get one of these, but this is beautiful. Thank you. All right. Oh, this is a card, so I'm going to read this later. Ooh, this is those little bags. Hey there, Smarty Pants. I'm so proud of you. Oh, this is so cute. Have a totally awesome day. Oh, these are adorable little cards. These are so adorable. Okay, so let's open up this package. look at this. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness, what's in here? Oh my God, Chrissy, this is so much. It's so beautiful. These are a whole bunch of charms and little buttons and rosettes. Oh wow, these pom-poms. What kind of pom-poms are these? These are adorable. They're like tulle. Wow, I've never seen this texture. Gorgeous. And little flag post-its. Oh wow, and crosses. Oh, I love these crosses. This is gorgeous. And some ribbon. Oh wow, this is absolutely beautiful. I am in love with this container. This is amazing. I have to be careful when I close it up, I guess. Let me make sure everything's back in its spot. Wow. Super, super beautiful. And I love, this is the L Girls, I think it's what it's called. These are so pretty. Or maybe I'm wrong, I'm not sure, but I have seen this before. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Oh, more dies. Oh my goodness, wow, this is, oops, it's like a snowflake. Sorry, that one just fell. It's like a beautiful snowflake and some baby. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this banner. It's like a banner circus type of deal. Oh wow, this is adorable. Oh, and teas, and like these are like teacups. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy with everything I've seen. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, we were telling each other what kind of chocolate and candy we liked, and I told her Dove was my favorite because I do love Dove. And then these are some beautiful cards. Oh, look at this. So pretty. Oh, wow. Thank you so much. Again, this is my first swap. This was incoming, and I'll be preparing. I'm almost done with her, so check out her channel when she gets mine. Hopefully she'll do a VR. She's not required to, but of course I want to just share you what I got since I'm super excited, and like I said, this is the first time, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for sharing your joy with me, and I hope I shared my joy with you. So take care. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.